In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do a bicycle kick in FC24 Xbox Series X. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to maximize your chances of doing a bicycle kick in FC24 on your Xbox Series X. So this is going to require a combination of player selection, positioning, and button timing. So for you to get increased chances of pulling off a bicycle kick, first, look through your player selection. Not all players are able to perform the bicycle kick with ease, so you need to look out for players with the acrobatic playstyle. If your player has the acrobatic playstyle trait, they are more likely to attempt a bicycle kick when presented with the opportunity and the button combination that I'm going to talk about, so look for the acrobatic playstyle trait. Next, for you to actually do the bicycle kick, hold down the left trigger. Once you are holding down the left trigger to trigger the acrobatic move animation, press B, also known as the shoot button. So while holding LT, press the B button to initiate the shot. And as long as your player is facing away from the goal, he will try to perform a bicycle kick. So to summarize, make sure that your player is facing away from the goal with the ball in mid-air. While holding down the left trigger, press B, and you should have a chance of performing the bicycle kick. So here are some additional tips for success. Bicycle kicks are best attempted when receiving a lofted cross into the penalty area. Aim to be in a good position to connect with the ball at its peak for maximum power and accuracy. And don't mash the buttons. The timing of your B press is crucial. Ideally, you have to press the B button just as your player makes contact with the ball for maximum power and accuracy. I hope I was able to help you on how to do a bicycle kick in FC24 on the Xbox Series X. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.